Hello, my sweet little friends. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Ease. Today we will learn phonic sound Kyau. Are you ready? Let's start. We will start with our jungle page. What is the sound of Kyau? Kyau, Kwa, Kwa, Quail, Quail, Kwa, Woka, Woka, Kwa, Wenzel, Wenzel, Kwa, Quad, Quad, Qua, Quag. Quag is soft muddy land. Qua, Quince. Qua, Quinoa. Qua, question mark. Qua, query. Can you answer my query? Qua, quiz. Let's start the quiz. Qua, quest. A deep search, difficult to find, is quest. Qua, quill. Quill. Qua, cute. Cute is beautiful, educational, motivational lines. Okay. Qua, quick. Be quick. Be quick. Qua, quiver. Terribly nervous. Qua, queue. Be in queue. Be in line. Qua, qua, quirl. Quirl. Don't quirl. Qua, quantity. Qua, quality. Check the quality. Qua, quartz. Quartz. Qua, quicksilver. Is the mercury in thermometer, is the quicksilver. Qua, qualified. You are qualified. Wonderful. Qua, quit. Quit. I am quitting. I can't do. I quit. Qua, quern. Quern is used to grind the grains. Qua, quart. Qua, quash. Quash means rejected. Rejected. Qua, quip. Quip means funny remark, witty remark. Qua, qualm. Qualm, dizziness. Qua, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Sound of duck. Quack. Qua, quarter. 1/4, quarter. Qua, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a shape with 4 corners. Wonderful, guys. Excellent. You are doing very well. Now it's your chance to guess what's in picture. Yes, this is puzzle time. Let's start. Now see, what is this? I am a character of your storybook. I sit next to the king. I am a character of your storybook. I sit next to king. Can you guess my name? Yes, I am queen. Very good. Wonderful. Next, let us see. Can you guess this? What is this? I cover you and give warmness in chilly winters. I cover you and give warmness in chilly winters. Can you guess my name? What is my name? Yes, this is your quilt. Quilt. Next, when you want to know something, you ask. When you want to know something, you ask. Can you guess my name? What do you do? Yes, you ask a question. Question. Next. What is this? You make noise and everyone say shh, shh. Don't make noise. Keep. You make noise and everyone say shh. Don't make noise and keep quiet. Very good. Next, let us see. Can you guess what is this? When you are thirsty, I am in your neck. But as you drink water, I disappear. When you are thirsty, I am in your neck. But as you drink water, I disappear. Can you guess my name? It is quite difficult. No? Then tell me, what is this? Yes, this is quench. Quench the thirst. Very good. Wonderful. Excellent, guys. You cracked all the puzzles. Well done. Congratulations. You learned the sound of alphabet Q. I hope you are enjoying watching and learning with me. Soon I will be back with my new video on phonic sound of R. But before leaving, subscribe, like and share my channel. Goodbye and take care.